Hello everyone, how nice to see you. My name is Susie, and if you haven't met me yet, which some of you haven't, I'm your English teacher. And normally I come into your school, but I can't at the moment, so we're doing a video instead. And this is my daughter Molly.
Hello.
And she's going to help me today. Now, I wonder if there's somebody in my special bag here who would also like to say hello. Well, that's an interesting bag, isn't it? Very beautiful bag with all sorts of colours. What colours can you see on my bag? What about this colour? What colour is this? What colour is it?
Green.
That's right, it's green. And what about, can you see another colour somewhere, Molly?
Blue.
What about blue? That's right. What about this side?
Pink.
Ah,
Green.
pink, green. What about white?
Black.
Yes, so many colours. Now, I wonder if there's somebody inside. Let's have a look and see. I'm going to open this and see. Let's see. Yes, there is. There's someone inside. Oh, he's sleeping. He's really tired. I'm going to wake him up. Okay, so shh, everyone be quiet, and we'll wake him up really slowly. Hello? Hello, hello? Oh, yes, he's waking up. He's so tired. Mickey! Mickey, wake up! Oh, yeah, hello, Mickey! Hello! Oh, Mickey, don't be shy. It's okay. Come on, out you come. Oh, let's put the bag down. Oh, Mickey, don't be shy. We're here with all the children in the Jardin Infancia. Yes, some of you might remember Mickey. I think Mickey remembers you too. Now, Mickey, do you remember Molly? Yes, of course he does. Mickey, has got lovely long arms and he loves to give cuddles. Great. Oh, yes. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Molly, Mickey said, in that bag over there, which bag, Mickey? That one. Okay. He's got another friend. Another friend. Let's have a look and see. Okay, Mickey, you help me find this friend. Oh, I think he's right. Hold on. What is... Ooh. Oh my Molly, I think we need your help. So you take that hand. My goodness me. Yes, oh my goodness. There's another. What animal is this, actually? What animal is this? Monkey. That's right, a monkey. And what noise does a monkey make? That's right. Now, Mickey, is this your friend? And what's her name? Mary. So, everyone, this is Mary. Mary, how lovely. Can I shake your hand, Mary? A very long hand. Well, how do you do? But I noticed, Mary, that you have very short legs for a monkey, haven't you?
Mhm.
Can I just have a look and... Oh! My goodness, her legs are growing. That's incredible.
And her arms are shrinking.
And her arm is shrinking. And does she like to tickle with her arms? Maybe tickling like that. My goodness, Mary, you do like to be tickled. Oh, yes. That's a very good idea, Mickey. Now, Mickey just said he would like to sing a song all about monkeys. Would you like to, Mary?
Mhm.
And Molly?
Mhm.
Okay, I would too. Would you like to sing a song all about monkeys? Yeah, great. So, if you want to stand up, you can. And the song is all about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkeys. And it goes like this. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Very good, everyone. Well done. Now, I think it's time for a story. Would you like to hear a story? Okay, then I shall begin. Let's put you down there, Mickey. Now, let's have a look in my special bag and see if there's something very important for story time, because I always need to have a hat, a story hat. So let me see if there's a story hat in my bag. There is. Yes. Aha! Look at that! What a grand looking hat. What colour is my hat? It's black. That's right. And what colour is the ribbon? It's pink. And there's a little flower on the side. What a lovely looking hat. Now, some of you might remember this hat. It's a very old hat and it's been on some special journeys. But let's see how it is today. Yes, I remember now. Oh yes, what a great hat. But sometimes my hat is a little bit magic. Sometimes my hat is a little bit naughty. Let's see how he's behaving today. Okay. Oh! Oh, you naughty hat. You stay on my head, please. Okay, like that. Oh! You naughty, naughty hat. Let's try again. Oh! I told you it was a magic hat. Come on, you. Oh my goodness me. It's a very naughty hat. Oh! Right, you hat, you stay on my head. Right, come on. This time, you stay there. Okay, phew. So, we can begin the story. Molly, would you like to help me? You can take this. Okay. Fairies of a story time, come and share your stories with me. I am listening with my ears, and I'm sitting quietly. Today, I'm going to read the story, I Know a Monkey. I know a small monkey who comes to see me. A brown, furry monkey, as cute as can be. There are many things that monkey can do, like baking a cake, and building things too. He loves to dress up in a jumble of hats that he piles on his head, which scares off the cats. Meow. But try as I might, not a word does he sound. Hello, bonjour, hello, ciao, hola, hey. My little friend Monkey just likes to play. Monkey is nimble and does lots of tricks, like balancing goats and juggling sticks. He makes me laugh. Giggle and squawk, but nothing can get him to talk. I don't really mind though, because it's such fun to play with a monkey until the day is done. He can stand on his toes, on the tip of a rake, make chocolate chip cookies, and keep owls awake. Monkey is clever. He solves very hard sums, and he loves to hear music and play on the drums. Although my small monkey does not choose to speak, he is still my best friend at the end of the week. When evening falls and it's time to tuck in, I whisper, "I love you," and snuggle with him. And that's the end of the story of I Know a Monkey. Now, I think we should do the story again. And this time, Molly, could you help me? You take our monkeys over, because I think they'd like to help too. And you too, Mickey. I'll take Mickey. And we'll go over to our special puppet theatre. Come with me. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and monkeys, here we are at our spectacular puppet theatre. Now yes, go ahead. All puppet theatres need to have a spectacular opening, so please take the trumpet again, Molly. And I now declare this puppet theatre open. Thank you, you may clap, Thank you. Very good. Okay, let's open the puppet theatre. If you do that side, Molly. Oh, look who's there. There's a monkey. Hello, monkey. Would you like to be the monkey from our story?
Yes.
Oh, I think he's very excited about that. Look! Great! Okay, so let's do the story again. Can you remember what happened? Now, there might be some things in there to help us, Molly. First of all, there was a brown monkey. Well, he's brown, so he'll do. He made a massive cake. Oh, look at that. Molly's found a massive cake. Wonderful. You want to eat your cake? Do you want some, Molly? Try it. Is it good? Oh, I think Mickey would like some here. Would you like some, Mickey? Oh, yes. Mickey likes cake. What about Mary down there? Does she want some? Okay. Really good. Well done, monkey. Okay, so we've done the cake, and he loves to dress up in a jumble of hats. Well, I think we might have to use my hat for this. So, would you like to try my hat on? Here we go. Oh, it's a bit big, isn't it? Can you step to the side, Molly, please? It's a little bit big. Never mind. What about you, Mickey? Oh my goodness, no. That's too big. Never mind, put it back on my head. What came next? Let's see. He likes to play. Do you like to play? Oh, yes, he does. Monkey is nimble and does lots of tricks, like balancing goats. What have you got there, Molly? Oh! She's going to balance some goats. Tell you what. Try here. Let's see if Monkey can manage. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh! It's very difficult. Shall I help? Let me help. Okay. So you hold that. Let's see. 1. Are they goats? They look like cats to me. Never mind. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. See if we can do 4. 4. Okay, you can clap. Thank you, thank you. Yes, well done, well done, well done. And what else did Monkey do? He likes to make me laugh. Now, I think Mickey can help with this one because he has his very long arms. Let's see if Mickey can make Mary laugh. You ready? He did! Well done, Mickey. He's a tickler. Look at that. Okay, and what else came in the story? He liked to make chocolate chip cookies. Now, it just so happens that Molly was very busy in her kitchen and made some chocolate chip cookies. Okay, can we all try a bit, please, Molly? Very good. You want some, Mickey? Okay. Oh, look, there's another little monkey here. You can try some. Oh, they love it. Oh, yes. Look at that. Yum, yum. Thank you, Molly. And he likes to keep owls awake. Woo, doo-doo, woo, doo-doo, woo, doo-doo. He definitely kept that one awake. Thank you. And Monkey likes to bang on the drum. Ready? Hold it up nice and high, Molly, so we can all see. Lovely. Well done. But although Monkey doesn't speak, he doesn't say anything, we love him very much. And all these monkeys love snuggling up. I think Mary should snuggle up too. And you go that side, Molly. You go that side. And we all love snuggling up and saying, I love you, Monkey. And that's the end of our story. Thank you, Mickey. Thank you, Mary. You can sit down there. Now, I think it's time for us to sing our goodbye song. So can you help me with that, Molly? You help us too, Monkey, up there. If you remember our goodbye song, you can join in too. And it goes like this. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile, give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish, see you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur, take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Bye bye everyone, see you next time.